Welcome to Online Shoe Repairs. My name's Shane Barr, and here we have a pair of worn heels and worn soles. Shoe repairs, heels, width, back to shoe repairs, soles, select the size, colour, checkout, check your items, your details, check the country as New Zealand, click in the centre if you need to change it, shipping method, payment information goes in there. Once that's complete, you can review and submit your order. As soon as I get the email, I'll give you a call and arrange to collect your shoes. All our work is guaranteed. If you have any questions, go to the Contact Us page and give us a call.